disappearance of Ahmad Khan, Mohammed Zaid and their taxi driver Nicodemus Mwanya, who were said to have been abducted along Mombasa Road in July last year. In its application, the Internal Affairs Unit of the police asked the court to order DNA samples taken from the four suspects for profiling in comparison with items believed to belong to the two Indians and their driver. The IAU also sought to have the court authorize the forensic examination of their phones and their detention at Capitol Hill Police Station for 30 days to enable detectives conclude investigations. Lawyers representing the four objected to the application. The lawyers argued that such an application is under the jurisdiction of the DPP or the DCI, and the IAU does not have the mandate or powers to make an application.
Nowhere is it contemplated that it can come to this court to seek orders to interdict, to discipline the four respondents.
The person purporting to come before you to ask for orders has no locus. And once that individual has no locus, Your Honor, you do not have the hands to deal with it.
This is an abuse of the court process. It should not be entertained.
The prosecuting team argued that the IAU has the authority to discipline errant officers.
As police officers, Your Honor, and the deponent in this application is a police officer, and therefore, Your Honor, the application is properly before you.
The application before court indicates that Francis Ndonye was driving an SSU vehicle in the company of Joseph Kamau that took part in the interception of the victims, while Joseph Mwangi and other officers took off with the victims to Aberdare Forest. Bones, clothes and belts believed to belong to the two Indians and their driver were recovered in Aberdare Forest. The two Indians were part of President William Ruto's IT team prior to the